Yeah, we are literally the only ones out here now, guys. And these mountains, when I tell you, they are not to be joked with. They are not to be joked with. Going up looks cool, but as you might have already seen, coming back down, guys, I feared for my life. I saw my life flash before my eyes. Yo, guys, so we just finished the Stations of the Cross, and we're gonna go to the fortress, but due to time, we're gonna do that tomorrow in the morning first because the ticket sales end at 12 and we're done with the Stations of the Cross around 12. So we're gonna go now. We're gonna go do the fortress tomorrow morning. For now, we're heading into the Pyrenees mountains to do the first part of hiking. That's interesting, guys. We're heading into the mountains. I'm expecting insane views, breathtaking scenarios or scenes. Breathtaking scenes in the scenarios we are going to encounter.
Cling to your right, no? Is anything? Come on, we should hurry up. As if we're doing this on purpose. Guys, I cannot make this up.
Guys, can you tell I've not been to snow a lot? This is not my cup of tea.
You couldn't make this up.
But it's looking good so far. It's looking delicious. Ooh. This is high. Guys, I'm telling you, this is absolutely beautiful. This is breathtaking. Like the views around is just complete mountain. And this side, you have brown mountains, like dry. On the ground, you can see snow. I don't know if you can see, but on the ground, there's snow. And we turn this way. Wow. And the sun is just blessing the whole thing. 1.5 hour walk. Here we go. Let's see what views we're gonna encounter. So the walk is 1.5 hours and we'll get to somewhere. Tia knows where we're getting to, but we'll see what that view is gonna be like. Look like a climber. Look like one of these pop stars who's going climbing for the first time and they don't know what to do.
Rude.
These people are interrupting our walk every 5 minutes for pictures. I don't know what they're trying to do here. We'll figure it out. Now here.
Oh.
Sorry, it's too much. No.
Decision in our lives, literally, because
Why are you running?
yeah, so I cannot wait to go down because that looks a whole lot of fun. Meanwhile, we've seen pretty much a lot of the snow now, so any second now I'm ready to arrive because it's getting kind of slippery, hard to walk, and quite uphill.
Grandmaster of stability shoes.
It's my shoes. I'm not holding this. I don't think.
Tian, don't do it. Tian, don't do it.
I've not been giving.
Tian, don't do
supposed to
it.
give.
Don't do it. Don't do. Are you dumb or what? Are you stupid or what? That was a nice view though.
So guys, these shoes are supposed to be made for the outdoors.
Lizanne seems to have seen something. Oh. Guys, we've been climbing for like 1 hour. 1 hour plus. And there's a hotel in the middle of nowhere. Like, how do you get to this hotel?
I have no clue. There's no road. It's like all walking.
Looks like all the doors and windows are plastered.
Yeah,
I don't
think it's a renovation.
Yeah, I don't think the hotel is functional, so probably doing renovations now. But this is a crazy place to have a hotel though. This is
That's all.
a crazy place to have a hotel. Like the views from this hotel. Oh wow. So we have come across a board giving us directions because we're already giving up, wondering if we're lost or something. And I think this is what we're seeing here in front of us. And we are looking for La Grande Cascade, the big waterfall. So I think if we go around the corner here, right, Lizanne, we should find the waterfall.
I think so.
Let's go. Let's move.
Yo. Hillman, you gotta teach me how to walk on your knees.
Lizanne, where's the waterfall?
The waterfall is no more.
The ghetto, guys. The waterfall is either frozen.
No, I think it's because look, there's way too little snow to be actually causing a waterfall. Alright?
Okay guys, we have been at our destination for a hot second now. And basically we came to see hopefully a waterfall, one of the tallest waterfalls in France, all from here. But the water and the ice were not communicating today properly. So there's no waterfall. Or at least we don't know if it's frozen because we see some traces of frozen stuff coming up. But I don't think there's a waterfall. But yeah guys, the views are impeccable. Impeccably impeccable. But it's a little chilly up here now. So we're going to start heading back down to where we came from. It's another hopefully 1 hour and a half, 2 hours to walk down. But it's just serving views and views and views. So it's a worthy walk. So we're gonna hit the road.
Well, it's been real.
Help!
Oh no.
Help!
Somebody sent a helicopter.
We're going down with the foot.
Screw this, boys. I'm gonna stand. I'm going to stand. I know sled. I was made to slide. I was made to surf. Okay, I'm actually also going to. I'm also going to sit down. I'm also going to sit. So if you slide here, you slide down the mountain. What? Why? Oh. Okay, wait, let's walk on the right on the snow.
Yeah. Guys, we have a situation here. This is not funny. I'm scared for my life here.
Legitimately though, if you like slide down here, not a lot of places where you can go. So we're going to play it safe. We're going to play it safe. Also don't want to drop my camera. Don't want to slide nowhere. I want to be in reach if my girlfriend decides to tumble down the mountain.
This one's
Okay guys, I think I'm gonna start doing what they are doing. So I see you guys when we're down there. But I also decided this cannot go unfilmed. This cannot go unfilmed. Ooh.
Be careful though.
Okay, legitimately, if you go up here like February, like we are now, you should bring some like boots with like those piercing things so you can walk in the snow, because you don't want to be like us. We're the only 3 idiots who walked up here to see the frozen waterfall and now have to slide our way back down. Everybody else turned around at some point that we don't know.
I'm kind of scared of this place.
Like just cling to your right, no?
Like I'm gonna.
No, cling to your right.
Like I'm gonna.
No, cling. Don't look to your left. Just cling to your right.
What are we thinking? Just climbing up like fools.
The sands all the way to the front.
My hands frostbite. You have to pause.
We are taking over. It's actually not that bad. I think you got the most part behind you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like here, the way is not tilted to the left anymore, because back there.
Guys, my butt is full. Ooh, I can't feel my butt. My hands I can't feel. My butt feels like a stone. Whoa! Up, I didn't forget anything. Up. Ooh, guys, this was not fun. It was not smart. It was not fun. The views were nice, are still nice, but we'll not advise, we'll not recommend.
No, not recommend. We will downstairs. We will summarize if this was worth it or not. Like now the part is fine, but look, those parts where, you know, on your right. Wait. There, where on your right there's like nothing, and if you slide, you might slide off. Those are not good. So those are the places where we are going to we're going to slide. You're right, no? Lisanne is saying, come on, we should hurry up. As if we're doing this on purpose. Guys, I cannot make this up.
Guys, can you tell I've not been to snow a lot? This is not my cup of tea.
You couldn't make this up.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I want to stay here.
You can hold on to this.
Okay, let's go.
Hold on to this, and then just go on here. You know what has been helpful now?
The stick.
A stick.
Which are dumbasses. Trying to be smart.
Oh. You barely moved in the frame. You're still there. In the meanwhile, Lisanne's been standing there for like a solid 5 minutes. And she's just continuing without us.
This is where her shoes come in clutch.
You think it's the shoes?
Huh?
You think it's the shoes?
Yeah, they help. Anyway, I suspect danger, I just go down.
Oh my god, there's the hotel. The hotel means safety.
Whoa.
We've made it.
We see the lights at the end of the tunnel.
Made it to the safety of the hotel. But from there on out, it wasn't actually that sketchy.
Guys, we made it. We made it. So guys, this is the waterfall we're looking for up there. And I think that's actually the waterfall we saw there, except it's frozen now and there's not that much ice for it to fall like water. I don't understand how it works. Basically, I think we saw the waterfall, except it was not falling like it's supposed to fall. Like I said, the ice and the water were not communicating properly. But basically, that's the waterfall we're looking for.
What are you breathing for?
Sir, who's the one with the backpack?
Guys, after fighting for my life, I need water. Oh. Fresh, cold, juicy. Guys, so I've eaten snow and I've drunk fresh glacial water. I think I'm ready to go home.
Haha.
Guys, these mountains are not to be joked with.
Only 3 people.
Yeah, we are literally the only ones out here now, guys. And these mountains, when I tell you, they are not to be joked with. They are not to be joked with. Going up looks cool, but as you might have already seen, coming back down, guys, I feared for my life. I saw my life flash before my eyes. But anyways, the views are worth it, in my opinion. In my humble opinion, the views are worth it. But it's just few pieces of advice. Get your walking sticks, the ones that get you grip. Get good shoes that have grip. And yeah, basically if you have those 2 things, I think you're more or less fine. Because yo, the way I feared for my life up there, I never want to feel like that again. But now, yeah, all the snow things you can put under your shoes, that could also help you. The snow, I don't know how they're called. But this is we're now at broader. There's no steep cliffs which you can fall off. So now we're cruising, we're rolling down. But a few minutes ago, guys, I was scared for my life. And now we have the good view as well of the sun setting on the hill. So hopefully by the time we get down to our original destination, which we left from, the views are going to be impeccable. But all in all, guys, I think it's worth it. The views are worth it. Just make sure you're well prepared and don't be as stupid as we were to not prepare properly and think we're cool. And yeah, then you have this happen to you. But yeah, guys, we're heading down now. See you in a bit.
Whoa, guys, we made it.
We made it back.
We made it. Nobody died. Nobody broke anything.
Almost.
Okay, guys, we're beginning to see the yacht. We're not seeing people shaking their asses on the yacht yet, but we're seeing the yacht. Guys, there's all sizes of yachts here. There's all sizes of yachts, man. You got big yachts, you got small yachts. You got
What? Oh my god.
guys, the yachts.
I feel like I belong here.